Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you the use of the constant in a C programming language. How we can use the constant in a C programming language. The constant in a C refers to the fixed value that do not change during the execution of the program. As we seen in the previous video, the variables are the names or the identifier which refers the memory location, and we can store some of the values in those identifiers, and during the execution of the program we can change the value, whereas in the constants we cannot change the value. During the execution of the program the values remain same. The types of constants are, the constant is classified into two categories. One is numeric constant, another one is non-numeric constants. In numeric constant, further it is divided into integer constant and real constant, and non-numeric constant is divided into character constant and string constant. In numeric constant, integer constants are a whole number which are called integer constant, and integer constants refers to the sequence of digits. There are three types of integers, namely decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Decimal integers consist of a set of digits 0 to 9 preceded by optional minus sign. The valid examples are 123, minus 231, 0, 2,53,444. So these are the valid examples of decimal integers. Embedded space, commas and non-digit characters are not permitted between the digits. Okay. For example, 36 space 5689 is invalid because there is a space. Okay. 20.000, so pointing value cannot be accepted in a whole number, and dollar symbol is not allowed. So these are the invalid examples of the decimal integers. The second is octal integer constant. Consists of an combination of digits from the set of 0 to 7 with leading 0. The valid examples are 0, 4, 6. So 46. So leading with 0, and it is between 0 to 7, 46. Similarly, we have 123, 0 and 0675. Okay. So here 046 and 0675 are the valid examples. Right. A hexadecimal integer constant consists of any combination of digit from the set of 0 to 9 and capital A to capital F preceded by 0 small x or 0 capital X. The valid examples are 0 small x 3BF7 and next 0x27, and third example is 0 small x. So these are the valid examples of a hexadecimal integer. Real constants. Number containing with decimal point is called as real constant. There are two types of notations, namely decimal notation and exponential notations. In decimal notation, a whole number followed by a decimal point and the fractional part, which is an integer. A valid examples are 0.376, 0.57, minus 0.46, 23.68 are the valid examples. The general form of an exponential notation is, the first is mantissa, then e, either small or capital, then exponent. The mantissa is either a real number expressed in decimal notation or an integer. The exponent is an integer with an optional plus or minus sign. The letter E separating the mantissa and exponent can be written in either lowercase or uppercase. The valid examples are 0.47 capital E 2, So here 0.47 is mantissa and 2 is the exponent. So between mantissa and exponent we have capital E. Similarly, in second example, 12 small e minus 7. 1.8 e plus 3. 7.3 capital E 2. So here 7.3 is mantissa, 2 is exponent. Similarly, minus 6.0 mantissa, small e minus 2 is exponent. In non-numeric constants, again there is a classification of character constant and string constant. So character constant is a single character constant, contains a single character enclosed within a pair of single quote marks. The valid examples are, in single quote we have 6, small s, capital W, semicolon and blank. So these are the examples of a character constant. So whenever we want a character constant, a single character can be closed within a pair of single quote marks, which are called as character constant. Whereas the string constants are a sequence of character enclosed between a double quotes. The character may be alphabet, digit, special character or blank spaces. So here in double quote we have hello, 3566, percentage dash dash dollar symbol, 22 minus 7. So all these are called as string. Whatever you close in a double quote is called as string. Black// character constants. So C supports some special / character constant that are used in output methods. The character combinations are known as escape sequence. The constants are /b, the meaning is backspace, /f form feed, /n is new line character, /r is carriage return, /t is horizontal tab, single slash is a single quote. Okay, and here what I am writing here in slash opening double quote. Okay, so it is for double quote, and double slash is backslash. Okay, so kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for the